Mr. Music Man's Word of the Day! It's time for our Word of the Day! Can I get a drum roll, please? Our Word of the Day is... Trombone!
Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. Music Man here. How are you doing? Listen, I've got a special instrument for you today I wanted to introduce to you. Do you recognize this instrument? Well, you may not. It's a brass instrument. And guess what kind of instrument it's called? It's called the trombone. Would you like to see how it works? Wonderful. First, notice that the trombone is in three parts. I'm going to take it apart for you now and show you the different parts. First, we have the bell. The bell is where the sound comes out. This is where all the special music you hear comes right to your ears. The second part of it is the slide. The slide moves up and down just like this, and this is the only instrument in the band or the orchestra that has a slide on it. Finally, we have this third part. This is called a mouthpiece. The mouthpiece is where we make a special sound with our lips. Would you like to hear that? It's called a buzz. Awesome. Now what we do is we take the mouthpiece, we put it in the slide like so, and we put the bell back on the slide. And guess what? We have ourselves a trombone. Any of you out there like race cars? Well, if you do, I've got a special treat for you. Everybody put your hands on the gear shift. Are you ready? Was that fast enough for you, boys and girls? How about a song for you now? I hope you enjoy it. What'd you think, boys and girls? Did you like it? Yeah, that's the trombone. You know, the trombone is the only instrument in the band or the orchestra that has a slide on it, just like this. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. That's the sound of the trombone.